Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, as you know, it's a festive season, and today is Christmas Day, the 25th of December, and I'm just here cooking up some nice, lovely Christmas dinner. This is the wild hog right here. Yeah, and this is the curry goat. It's almost done. Get in there. This is our coconut juice right here. The coconut juice. And this right here is our peas. Pressured already. Already pressured. This is the curry goat. Ready. Come on, Polly. Play with me. These are vegetables. No, I over here. Sit down over me. No, please, sit down over me. Yes. Naside, I look pretty. No sé todo el momento. Well, it look nice. Alright, then what I'm gonna put it? Take that car seat and put it on. Yeah, but so this is the pork, guys. I'm just gonna let it pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes. For about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys my sorrel. Oh, this is my sorrel with ginger, pimento, and I'm gonna use a little bit of rum in it. Just letting that sit to draw. I'll be straining it off. This is some chickens. I will be frying some chickens. This is just some ground thyme I put on top, but I never mix it up. But yeah, little my flour to fry my chicken. I'm gonna make some potato salad. I'm gonna use mixed vegetable. No, sorry, mashed potato. I'm gonna do some mashed potato with mixed vegetables. I'm just gonna change it. You see it seasoned for my liking. So guys, I'm gonna end the video now because I'm not finished as it and it's gonna take some time. So when I'm finished, I'm gonna give you all a part 2. So I'm gonna end